Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, empowering women to build wealth online. All I wanted to do in this quick, short video is show you my proof of results. So, as it pertains to my credit. So, in the last 6 months, my credit score has gone up exactly 50 points. Well, yeah, 50 points. Actually, 51 points. I think it was 631 when we started. So yeah, 51 points. My score has gone up, and so I'm excited. You can see here I recently got me another report to see my updated numbers, and I have been doing it. This challenge actually helped me. Actually, just helped with what I was already trying to do. What I was learning about credit. And this challenge, for a lot of people, they want to do something, but then I don't know, maybe they'll make excuses. They say they don't have enough time or whatever, and they don't do what they actually want to do. I've been actually doing what I wanted to do, and so my score has went up. And I want to invite you to this challenge. So we have a 5-day credit repair challenge, okay? You can build your credit up to it. You can build your credit up. We say to 850, right? But just think of how much further you could get with growing your credit score if you spend a half hour a day taking action towards first getting the education and then taking action. So this challenge is amazing. Today is actually the last day of the challenge, and the doors are closed right now. So if you were interested in getting on the next challenge, it's going to start July 15th. So mark your calendars and let me know that you want in on the challenge, and I'll add you to the waiting list so that once we open up the doors, you'll get instant access to these 5 days. Okay, we're going to give you free value. It's a completely free challenge to improve your credit. So I would love to work with you and build our credit together. So definitely comment below more info if you want more info on the challenge. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.